welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, it's me, Startup Queen, and I hope that you will enjoy this vlog. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and also please like. So let's start. Today, I am so excited to share my first ever sneaker that I bought from Michael Kors. Finally, here in Kitakyushu, near me, they built an outlet which is called the Kitakyushu outlet. Dito kami sa outlet, Kitakyushu outlet. Ay, kami na lang. Dito pala. Ayan. Dito kami sa grand opening. Pero ang ganda ng outlet, diba? Na-miss talaga ako kasi ang ganda ng outlet, no? Ayan, galing kami dito kanina, ayun. Nagpabawas lang kami ng tao. Sobrang dami kanina. Pero madami pa rin ngayon. Pero kung kukumpare mo siya kanina, super duper grabe sa dami. Ni Ma'am Shishela ng aming twinning kicks. Good luck. Good luck sa amin kung gaano katagal ang ilahan. Ayan. Welcome to Kids Pig. During that grand opening, me and Ma'am Shishela decided to have our twinning sneakers, and we found it from Michael Kors. Hirapan kami mag-decide. Ano ba yan? Buti na lang kaunti lang yung NK nito. Na iba naman yung bibili dahil sa heels. Kasi, panda kasi. Hi. Dapat sila lagi cards. Okay. Kami ni Ma'am Shishela. Thank you, Michael Kors. Kala mo na sponsor, you know? Now, and let's unbox. Janjaran. The name of these shoes is Crista Trainer. Originally, the price of these sneakers is 39,600 yen. But since it's an outlet and it's grand opening, we bought this in 70% off. Got it for, I think it's 14,000 plus yen. But we downloaded the apps from Michael Kors, and they also gave us another discount. Is that we've got it for only 11,800 yen. Tanjara! So we have a pink sneakers. So I love the color. An old rose. Actually, the reason why this is not my first choice, because I am really not a fan of a product that is filled with lots of logos. But this one, since I love the colors, love the combination, I love this something rose gold in this part and with the white combination. I don't hate it, I love it. And yes, this is a Crista trainer Michael Kors sneaker. This one, I love that it's also pink. So, in this part, it's empty, and on the other side, there's a big logo of Michael Kors MK. Okay. So, here's the sole. And it has a cushion inside. And Michael by Michael Kors. And then we also have it here. I will try to give all the details of these shoes. So, let's begin. So yeah, that's it for today, baby dolls. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a like. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And also, please don't forget to hit that little bell down there so that when I make another vlog, you will be updated. And so that's it. I hope that you will stay safe, and also please stay healthy, and also don't forget to keep on praying to our Lord God, and stay pretty. Bye.